Bowman live. Welcome to the program on tonight. I found an article recorded in STAT. I'll have to find out what this acronym stands for here. The headline is titled U.S. Records First Fatal Bird Flu Case Among Growing Concerns About the Virus. And the article was written by Helen Branswell. She's a senior writer for infectious diseases. So let's get down to this article and find out what's happening here. So according to STAT, the United States has recorded its first fatal case of H5N1 bird flu in a person from Louisiana who contracted the virus from infected chickens and wild birds in a backyard flock. The death was reported Monday by the Louisiana Department of Health. The unidentified person was described as being over the age of 65 and reportedly had underlying medical conditions. What those conditions were and whether they put the person at increased risk of developing a severe infection from influenza is not clear. While the H5N1 virus has claimed over 450 lives globally since 2003, this is the first death from the virus in North America. The U.S. has recorded 67 human cases of H5N1, almost all of which occurred in 2024. All of the other cases have involved mild symptoms only. Analysis of virus samples taken from the individual show that the virus had developed some mutations that are thought to increase its capability to attach to cells in the upper respiratory tract. These changes were not seen in viruses from the birds in the person's backyard flock, a fact that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said likely means they developed in the individual during the course of the infection. Similar mutations were found in viruses or virus samples from a teenager in British Columbia, Canada, who also are rendered severely ill by H5N1. The teen, a 13-year-old girl, spent several weeks in critical care but is now recovering. The statement from the Louisiana Department of Health said that no additional cases have been detected among contacts of the person who died. H5N1 has long been at or near the top of the list of viruses that concern pandemic planners. Infections in wild birds have moved it around the world, and recent versions of the virus have shown an unsettling ability to infect multiple species of mammals, including dairy cows. The outbreak in cows, which was first detected in late March, has spread to over 900 herds in 16 states. 40 of the 66 human cases detected in 2024 were among farm workers exposed to infected cows. I will keep you updated on this information. I'm doing some research, so what I find, I'll make it available. So, till next time, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Never surrender, never quit.